This is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, you will need to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks, then open the control panel like that, or expand it, then find the icon that says nearby share and touch and hold at it. Then once you've made it to the nearby share page, you can activate this feature by toggling this switch, and from now you can edit some other preferences such as your device name, manage and control your device visibility, and choose the network type that will be used for the file transfer. Once everything is set up, I just want to quickly test this feature out. So I will just share this screenshot through the nearby share real quick and see how well it works. So it lagged. Anyway, I'll just try sending another screenshot, not a big deal at all. So as you can see, the picture was successfully transferred, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.